Welcome to The Explainer. You know, if you really want to know what it takes to be an innovator leader today, you pretty much have to toss out the old playbook. The game has totally changed. So today, we're going to dive into this incredible analysis of the world's top 100 innovators to figure out the new rules for winning.
It's the big question, right? The one every single leader is asking. With all the uncertainty, all the tech shifts happening so fast, staying on top isn't just about working harder, it's about working way smarter. So, what's their secret? Well, let's find out.
All right, here's our game plan. First, we're going to get the lay of the land, the new playing field. Then, we'll uncover the secret sauce of modern innovation. After that, we'll meet the companies that are absolutely crushing it. And finally, we'll lay out the new rules for success that you can actually use. Okay, first things first. To really get a handle on modern innovation, you have to understand the world we're all living in now. And spoiler alert, it is not business as usual anymore. We are deep in an age of hyperconnectivity.
Think about it. These days, one little development in one corner of the world can send ripples across the entire globe, like instantly. All of a sudden, your competitor, your customer, and your supply chain are all tangled up in this one massive global web. And that right there changes everything.
So these are the big forces shaping our new reality. You've got global supply chains, you've got consumers who are connected 24/7, regulations that seem to change by the minute, and workforces that are spread out all over the place. Yeah, it's a super complex puzzle for sure. But for anyone who can solve it, it is just packed with opportunity.
So if hyperconnectivity is the new game board, what's the winning move? Well, this analysis points to one incredibly powerful concept, and it's a big one: convergence. So what is convergence really? It's when totally different fields of science and tech kind of smash together to create something brand new and incredibly powerful. And the perfect example is probably in your hand or your pocket right now. A smartphone isn't just one invention. It's a convergence of chemistry for the battery, material science for the glass, electronics, software, even quantum physics for the chips. All of it, right there.
So where is all this invention happening? This chart breaks it down for us across three of today's most critical forces: connectivity, automation, and sustainability. As you can see, these are the engines driving a massive amount of progress right now. I mean, the trend lines are just going straight up.
But here's the thing, and this is the key to the whole story. The real secret isn't about these trends operating on their own. As powerful as they are, the analysis shows the most explosive growth isn't happening within them. It's happening where they overlap and crash into each other.
Okay, get ready for this. Look at this number. Since the year 2000, the number of inventions in any single one of those fields has grown by a factor of 82. 82 times. That's incredible, right? It's a huge testament to human ingenuity. But hold on.
Now look at this. When inventions start to combine or converge these fields, the growth just skyrockets to 161 times. 161. That's nearly double the pace. This right here is the secret sauce. This is where the future is really being built.
So this all sounds great in theory, but who is actually doing it? Who are the masters of this convergent innovation? Let's take a look at the companies leading the charge. It's probably no surprise that the top 100 list is just dominated by industries that are on the cutting edge. Electronics and computing take the biggest piece of the pie, but right behind them you have semiconductors, industrial systems, and automotive. These are the hotbeds where convergence is happening the fastest.
And here are the leaders of the pack. What's so striking is the diversity right at the top. You've got a hardware giant like Samsung at number 1, a software and media powerhouse like Tencent at number 2, and then a classic manufacturing innovator like Honda at 3. They seem totally different, but what they all have in common is that they have mastered convergence.
And make no mistake, this is a deliberate strategy. As the CEO of Bosch, Dr. Stefan Harten, puts it, they see that the underlying technologies are increasingly converging. For these elite companies, this isn't just some buzzword. It's the core of their entire culture. It's in their DNA. Okay, so what does this all mean for you? Let's translate what these leaders are doing into a clear, actionable strategy that we can all learn from. It all boils down to this. If innovation is convergent, your strategy has to be convergent too. That means three things. First, get your people collaborating. break down the silos between departments. Second, you have to integrate data science deep into the core of your R&D. And third, you need to leverage your IP to build powerful partnerships, not just walls.
And this slide says it all, doesn't it? The old model of R&D, with siloed teams focused internally, is just obsolete. The new model is all about interdisciplinary teams working in an open, collaborative way, sourcing ideas and talent from absolutely everywhere.
And if you need one last piece of proof, just look at this. The average number of inventors on a single patent has shot up by over 52% in just a couple of decades. Innovation is no longer a solo pursuit, some lone genius in a lab. It's a team sport, and the winning teams are bigger and more diverse than ever before.
So, we'll end right where we started. The evidence is clear. The most powerful innovation is happening at the intersection of different fields. The leaders are already there. The only question left is, are you? Thanks for joining us on The Explainer.